Okay guys, welcome to another segment of this course. So in this video I'll be showing you how to design a simple logo. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to design a simple logo. So on our screen here we have different types of logos on Canva. So but before then, what is logo? What is a logo? All right, so a logo is a symbol that is made up of text and images that identifies a business or a brand, right? A logo is a symbol that is made up of text and images that identifies a business or a brand. And in other words, we can say a logo is a visual representation of a brand, a company, or an organization that is used to identify and distinguish them from others. All right, so there is no brand name, no business, no company, no firm without a brand name, without a logo. Okay, so that's why we have the likes of Apple, that's for iPhone. Yeah, we have Samsung. We all know how Samsung logo looks like, right? Then we have Pepsi. We all know how Pepsi logo looks like, and so on and so forth. So we all know that wherever you see the iPhone logo, wherever you see it, you already know that, oh, this is an iPhone logo. Same thing goes for Samsung, Pepsi, Coke, and so on and so forth, right? So like I said earlier, a logo is a symbol that is made up of text and images that identifies a business or a brand. So let's dive into today's video. I'm gonna teach you how to design this simple logo, this Opay simple logo. I'm gonna teach you how to design this simple logo for Opay brand. We all know this brand Opay. All right, so let's dive in. Let's start. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get our circle. All right, go to your elements and then and then search for circle. So let's search for circle. All right, so select your circle. This is our circle. Okay, because we already have this Opay logo here, so that's Canva for you. They automatically highlight the color that you've already had in your artboard. All right, so now no need of us stressing ourselves getting the color and all that. So this is our circle. Let's increase the size a bit and then drag it in the center. Okay, just make sure this line, you see this line, make sure it's properly drawn like this. That's a way of showing you that your text or your shape is in the center of any artboard or whatever it is. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is duplicate this circle. We need to duplicate this circle. So click on your duplicate. Right, this is the second one. So here we need to change the color of this to white. Right, and then we need to reduce the size as well. So align it, make sure it's in the center of the green circle as well. So this is it. You see how Canva is already highlighting everything in the center for you. They will automatically draw these lines to tell you, okay, this is in the center. If it's not in the center, you won't see any of those lines. All right, so let me align this. What is it? Okay, so this is it. Then the next thing we need to do, we need to get a shape. We need to get another shape, which is a rectangle. So let's search for a rectangle. Okay, this is our rectangle here. Let's highlight this. So here, this is our rectangle. So we need to reduce the size of this rectangle. this way, and then we're going to change the color to white. Let's change the color to white. All right, this is it. So we just have to bring it here and make sure it's in the center as well. So this is our rectangle. We're done with this. Then the next thing we need to do, we need to duplicate this rectangle as well. So duplicate it, drag it out, and then here we're going to change the color to green. So this is it. All right, so we're going to reduce the size as well. Okay, and then bring it in here. So the next thing we need to do, always make sure you pay attention to the alignment. Like I said, Canva will automatically help you to align it. Just drag it to the right place and wash the lines. Okay, so the next thing here, I think we still need to reduce this thing a bit. So the next thing we need to do is change the color of this rectangle to dim blue. Okay, so here we don't have the deep blue. They didn't highlight it for us. So like I said, remember I taught you in our last video how to use our color picker. So click on this plus icon here. All right, and then get your color picker. Click on your color picker. So we are going to pick this blue color here. Are you seeing it? So once you get to it, leave it there. Come down here and click on done. So this is it, guys. Yeah, this is it. The little thing that is remaining now is we just need to curve the edge of this rectangle a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, so click on your corner, just click on your corner, come here. All right, just a little bit. So let's say 2, or let's do 3. Let's see. Okay, I think 5 is okay. Let's use this 5. Let's leave it at 5. All right, guys, so this is it. With this, we've been able to create our Opay logo. So the next thing we need to do is to group them together. All right, when we need to highlight everything and group them together. So how do we do that? First of all, click on one of them and then click these 3 dots here. Select multiple, click on select multiple to highlight all of them. So click, just type all of them one by one. Make sure you get everything. Yeah, so we are done. So next thing is, this is your group. Select the group and group them together. So like this, we've grouped it together and we can be able to move them around without any obstruction. You can reduce and increase the size as well. All right, so this is our Opay logo. So here I'm just gonna, you already know, the next thing we need to do is get our text. Okay, hold on. So let's try to get the text here. No need of typing the text. You can as well type the text on your own. It's very simple. So I just want to reduce this and then get the text from this place. Okay, so I'm still gonna reduce this logo and then also this one, reduce it a bit, and here we are. We have our Opay logo. Okay, guys, this is it. This is as simple as ABCD. So it's always very nice for you to design your own logo from scratch without using any of Canva templates. Well, I'm not saying that the templates are there for fancy. I'm not saying they are there for us not to use it, but then not everything. Make sure that all your designs are mostly designed by you and not just you re-editing Canva's template. Okay, all right, guys, so let's download our design. You already know how to download your design. So click on the, first of all, you click on this on the top here, click on this arrow facing up and then go to your download, and that's all. Save. Click on download and then you save it on your desktop file. All right, or your your mobile phone storage of file. So this is it, guys. See you in our next video. Bye.